I absolutely love the energy and the vibe of Colonia, Buenos Aires. Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Larissa is here, 61 and fabulous, traveling in Mexico and living my best life, and so can you. In today's video, I will share a tour of a beautiful apartment located in the jungle, but just a few minutes walking from downtown Puerto Vallarta, Zona Romántica, Malecón, and all of the best restaurants and the beach. I'm always looking for opportunities and information to share with you friends, and when my friend Leila found this beautiful home for rent for only $400 a month, we jumped on it right away. And of course, I filmed the experience for you. Are you ready? Let's go!
The property we are about to see was listed on a Facebook marketplace and is a studio apartment located in a small building with a great community.
You may recognize this place and our host Des, who will be showing us around, from the video made by Jim from Living Overseas TV.
Built this entire property.
There's 7 units and 8th is on the way. For now, it's mostly a lady community, but there is a true family atmosphere here. I love it.
This is one of our mascots on the property.
Hello.
Ray.
Hello.
This is Easy, our little pit bull. This is Ray, the designer, the builder, the creator of all things.
The owner of the place, Ray, used all the natural materials and stones to build the homes. Friends, I'm just falling more and more in love with this place.
And this is Ray's favorite spot to sit. This is like his little, his little man. This is one of the community areas, yes. So this is our beautiful mascot and rescue bird here, Waka, short for the Waka Maya. She'll take a finger off if you stick it in the cage, so just be careful.
And now let's go see the unit.
Feel free to take a look.
It is a large studio apartment with a huge patio and an amazing view of the jungle. You could live here for $400 a month, including Wi-Fi, electricity, and water. Wow!
How did you find it in the summer when it's rain season? Is it humid?
So it is humid, but it is Colonia, Buenos Aires, so the air here is actually a lot cooler than any other part in Vallarta because we're cooled by the river. So aside from the fact that it is rainy season and it is highly humid and there is no AC, there's still a waterfall 50 meters. If you walk all the way down to the top of the stairs where you ladies came up, there's a waterfall right there that runs all rainy season, and that's like nature's AC. So I just go and literally just cool my neck down once, twice a day, and it's fantastic.
This home and the area is absolutely breathtaking. I can tell you that this community is definitely one of my favorites because of the natural landscape, fresh air, and views and conveniences. Don't be surprised, see me moving here next year once my lease at current place expires. We absolutely love the vibe and the energy of Colonia, Buenos Aires, and most of all, this energy. I get many inquiries about guided tours in Puerto Vallarta, and this can help you with that. So make sure to check out her website linked below. What do you think, friends? Do you like the Colonia Buenos Aires? Would you come to live in this place, or you prefer more modern home? Leave me your comments below, and thank you for watching. Ciao ciao, until the next time.